Let's go, Dave. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. What's up, everybody? Dave Van Boris here. We're gonna coat the motherfucking world, alright? We're sponsored by Ceramic Pro. Alright, this here is my V6 Challenger that's Pro charged. This shit is so sick, son. This shit's fire, cuz all-wheel drive. Get at me, son. 1320.
Looks like Travis left his canes. Travis, clean up your shit, man.
Are those ours now or what?
Yeah, he said you can either wash them. He said you can use them on like wheels or stuff you want. He literally uses a towel. Travis uses a towel once and throws it away.
I know.
Which I wish I could afford to do that, but I like when he does it on my car. So, anyways, the car got the second coat. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here, but the car has a second coat of ceramic coat on it. Looks pretty nasty. Hasn't polished it yet. He's still gonna polish it, which is gonna look crazy.
I hope Travis is polishing my fucking sack.
That's demonetized. But Kevin's Jeep is done. Looks freaking awesome.
Yeah, came out good.
Looks really good.
I didn't know you could polish the Expel. That was pretty cool.
Travis McNutt, everybody. So we're gonna swap the cars around because, well, my car's getting modified again. I know. I just got it back, and I made 850, and it's getting modified. So
Livernois, bitch!
I'm not.
Livernois!
I'm cutting that out.
Why?
I'm not using Livernois. So
I am. I'm saying they're coming to Amarillo.
Yeah, Livernois is coming to do Kevin's car soon. He's dropping off at Boost to get the new fuel pumps and shit installed on Friday, and then Livernois is coming out when? 2 weeks, maybe? Hopefully before April 7th.
Fucking hope so.
Running. Oh, can I borrow your tires this weekend?
Oh, if you want to borrow them, yeah.
Should we fuck up Kevin's new tires? So my tires haven't come in. There's an update. Carlisle Racing is kind of giving me the runaround.
Negative! Bad review!
The guy looked at the thing and they ordered the right ones, and the company I ordered, or they ordered from, sent them the wrong ones. So I'm here again on week, I don't know, week 8 or 9 without wheels and tires still. Well, I got the front tires because I ordered them from Jigs and they got here in 2 days. So I may actually be ordering different wheels or ordering from someone else because I'm sick of waiting. So thanks, Carlisle Racing. Thumbs up. They're actually really cool guys. I talked to them, so I don't think it's really their fault, but they kind of dropped the ball on it, and it fell on them because they're the ones that are selling them to me, and they're the ones that said they were in stock, and they weren't. So maybe we'll borrow Kevin's wheels just because the track's opening this weekend, just so I can kind of get a time on the car. But the car is getting some new parts. I'll update you guys on that tomorrow. I'll show you all the parts that I got for it. There's 3 new things for the car, and hopefully we make a little bit more power, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna shuffle the vehicles around so that I can start working on mine. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so actually I decided I'm gonna drive Sneaky Cat to work for a couple days because I actually need to run some of the gas out of it. Hint, hint, if you know why I'm doing that, well then you kind of know what's coming next for the car. So, also, I deadlifted 500 pounds today. I'm gonna put a clip at that at the beginning probably.
Let's go, Dave! Pick it up! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up!
So that was pretty cool. I haven't really been doing deadlifts that much and thought I'd try it. So I tried it last week, pulled 465 and 485 and decided I would try 500 this week. So if you guys like those videos, let us know and we'll film some more when we actually work out. But you know, a lot of our channel has been built off of cars, so we don't really know if you guys care too much about watching workout videos, but I'm gonna drop a clip of me deadlifting 500, which was pretty cool. I'm pretty skinny for my age. I'm only like my height. I'm 6'1", but I only weigh like 185 to 190 pounds depending on the day and how much canes I eat. But so I'm gonna drop that here. So yeah, we're gonna drive the car for a couple days. Need to run some gas out of it, and I'll do a video tomorrow on what mods are coming next for the Sneaky Cat. And so yeah, so maybe I probably won't run it this weekend, even if Kevin Lloyd borrows his tires, because I want to get the next mods going on the car and get that done before April 7th, which is our big roll race event here. So hopefully you guys like the little update here. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. We'll see you guys on the next one.